This is a hydrogen fuel cell, and what I'm doing here is I'm connecting a battery up to the fuel cell. You can use this in reverse, both to produce the hydrogen and to consume the hydrogen and turn it into energy. So what I've done is connected a battery pack to it. Right now I'm pushing 3 volts through it. The right canister is the hydrogen, and the left canister is the oxygen. So if you can see, the left canister is starting to rise. When it gets to the point when the inside canister is filled up, it'll start to bubble up through the water. I use distilled water for this. Calls for distilled water. Eventually I'll get a kit to do double distilled, so I get the purest water possible. When I got the kit, I had to hydrate the fuel cell, the oxygen side, where the red lead's plugged into, and just inject water into that side of the fuel cell with a syringe. And then it's pretty simple process. And so once this starts bubbling, then I'll remove the power source. Earlier today we took it outside, and we used a photovoltaic cell to charge, to create the reaction to separate the water into hydrogen and oxygen. So now I just hooked up a fan, and you can see the fuel cell is now being used to convert the hydrogen and oxygen into energy to run the fan there. It took about 1.5 minutes to charge up the 2 small canisters there, and the fan ran for, I don't know, it's about 3 minutes or so. So it's a pretty neat little thing. You can buy stacks of these cells like this one here, where you can produce up into the kilowatts. So it's a pretty neat little experiment. Water into watts, electrochemical reaction.